welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to color my extensions. So obviously these are not the color of my hair, so I'm going to be coloring and cutting to match my hair and to blend in with my hair. So if you haven't seen the first video, I went and actually picked out the extensions and did a little bit of looking around and research, and so go check out that video before you finish watching this one. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh, and one more thing before we get started. I have been a hairstylist for 10 going on 11 years now. So everything that I do today is like professional and like legitimate. I have a license, so I don't recommend doing this if you don't have a cosmetology license. I recommend that you either show this video to your stylist, or you can show your stylist my color if you really like my icy blonde, and I recommend having your hairstylist cut and color your extensions for you. So just a little heads up. All right, you guys, so for the lightener part of it, I'm going to use a regular powder lightener, and then I'm going to mix it with a 40 volume developer because I'm gonna do this pretty quickly, so I work with 40 volume as long as I can keep things quick. So I have these all laid out here. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take just a little bit of length off of them to start because I'm not gonna leave them this long. So I will take a little bit of length off right now, and then at the end I'm gonna fine tune everything with like layers and everything like that with my hair. Okay, you guys, so got my gloves on, mixed up my product here, and I've got my foils. So with these whiter ones, so as you can see, they have clips on the back. You snap these open, okay, and that's how you clip them in. But with these whiter wefts, we're going to have to split this into two to apply the lightener. And I am applying lightener from basically as high up as I can go all the way to the ends because I want this all to be really blonde, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna take this baby under the dryer, just like you would at the salon, okay? So that's in there while it's on, and the heat is on high. I'm gonna turn it to medium to high, and that's gonna sit while I'm putting more on. to rinse. So I just look, so obviously they were more gold before, and down here you can see like they're much more like white platinum. So you can see that gold is like fading out of them. So that's how you know that they're ready to be toned and washed. Well, washed and toned. Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to wash them first here. I kind of just like fold it up so that you can just hold on to it a little bit easier. So I fold them up here. And I'm going to wash it with the same shampoo and conditioner that I use on my hair to keep it really icy. I use the Head Candy, the Brass Kisser shampoo and conditioner. So just to give you guys a little preview, this is the shampoo and what it looks like. So it's very deep purple. It smells really good, you guys. It smells like a combination of like flowers and candy. I don't know. It smells so good. And then here is the conditioner. So it is also a purple color, but it's a little bit lighter. It's more like a lilac color. And it smells the same as the shampoo, so it smells super good. Look how like that's like already closer to my hair. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so I have all of the extensions washed now. I washed them with my purple shampoo. So obviously like the purple shampoo did a fantastic job of already cooling them off, but like my hair is almost to like a silvery color. So I want to tone them even more to add a little bit more of that like blue violet to them, just so that it really matches. Okay, you guys, so I am going to, just because this toner is going to act probably fairly quickly, so I'm going to try doing this all at once here, and I'm going to try basically just lumping them all together and just working the toner. Let's go ahead and head over and we'll do that. Now that I've let them sit for a little while with that 10 VV, the violet toner on there, now we can rinse them. As you can see, it just made them really nice and icy. Got that Elsa blonde going on. Now I just have to condition them, and I'm going to be using the Head Candy purple conditioner. I just like almost sprayed everywhere. Okay, I probably used way too much, but I have a bunch of hair here that I'm gonna put them on. I'm gonna grab right here and just kind of work this down. And I'm just working it all through the hair. we got them colored. Oh my God, I'm so excited. They're like very ashy, obviously, like my hair. So I'm super excited to clip them in and get them all like cut and everything. But that's gonna be the next video. I'm going to, later this week, I will clip them in, cut them to basically to go with my hairstyle and how I wanna wear them. I'm gonna wear them so that they add a little bit of length to my hair and a lot of volume. So definitely stay tuned for that video. But thank you guys so much for watching this. Hopefully it was helpful and you guys learned something. I will see you guys next video. Be sure to subscribe before you leave the channel and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. Bye guys.